I think if Carlo Ancelotti takes his Brazil team to the semi-final, he will go down as the greatest football manager of all time without doubt. His
मेरे नज़दीक
Champions
अभी सही है वो.
हाँ, but I mean, if anyone has doubts, so those doubts will also go away. I think Brazil coming into this World Cup, जिस तरह की उनकी qualification campaign रही थी, no one even expected them to be talking about them beating Norway. Norway को dark horses कहा जा रहा था. But Brazil, the way they have turned around under Carlo Ancelotti, they may not win today. But what Carlo Ancelotti has done with this team, which was completely disjointed, which has had internal issues, players fighting with each other, and who do you bring in to settle all of that? Always Ancelotti. जब भी किसी क्लब को some big club wants to continue something or resolve dressing room issues, who do you hire? Carlo Ancelotti. कार्लो एंचेलोटी एक ऐसा मैनेजर है जो नेमार को बेंच पे बिठाकर प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में ये बोल सकता है कि नेमार इज अनहैप्पी, बट आई लाइक दैट ही इज अनहैप्पी, एंड नेमार भी आगे से कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे बिकॉज इट इज कार्लो एंचेलोटी. वेरी फ्यू मैनेजर्स इन वर्ल्ड फुटबॉल हैव दैट ऑरा दैट कार्लो एंचेलोटी हैज. एंड ही, मैं एक बहुत कमाल चीज़ लोगों को ये बताना चाहूँगा कि देयर आर डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ मैनेजर्स एंड कोई सक्सेसफुल स्टाइल नहीं है, हर एक का एक डिफरेंट स्टाइल होता है. पेप गार्डियोला, Marcelo Bielsa, all of them have very different styles. But Carlo Ancelotti की one of the most famous stories is कि there is a reason he almost never loses a final, मतलब और knockout matches. Liverpool वाला 3-0 वाला लोग कोट करेंगे यहाँ पर, लेकिन the reason is कि Carlo Ancelotti before a big match, you know what he does with his players? He jokes with them. He doesn't make them sit through tactics and everything. He's already done that. He sits with them, he jokes with them, he allows them to joke, he makes them all free. And that's the freedom that Carlo Ancelotti brings to any team that he goes to.